7 guys, got a box today. First box in a while, actually. Wait, I opened 2 boxes in a limited last week, one I think came out. But, it's a box of 2010 tops. And I'm gonna hurry the hell up, but just a PC pickup. Brian Roberts 101 printing plate for my Carolina PC. So I guess we'll just get started on this one. $1 million giveaway right off the bat. Grady Sizemore insert. I'm not even going to name the inserts unless they're good. Nolan Ryan's that Greenkey. Manny Ramirez, Gary Carter, David Wright. Alex Rios out of 2010. Turkey Red of Dexter Fowler. Kevin Yount reprint, Johnny Mize, Ryan Howard Gold, Top Town. Wins to come. Lou Gehrig, that is sick. I'm not even showing the cards. Manny Ramirez, Top Town. Duke Snyder, reprint rookie. Nice Ozzie Smith, Turkey Red, and Adam Jones. Is that? No. Amazing Mets. Mariano Rivera insert, Justin Upton, Tops Town. $1 million giveaway. Henry Ramirez and Honus Wagner. Vladimir Guerrero. Oh, crap. You can't see it, but that's the 1-1. Who is it? Looks like it's a franchise history of the Mets. Pretty nice card. Franchise history, New York Mets. Then we have a Chris Davis gold on Kevin Yount, Top Town. So not bad. Evan Longoria reprint rookie card. Babe Ruth and Alex Rodriguez. Nice. Josh Hamilton. I saw it on this box at the same market, so I had to have it because it's $80 and I had $80. Manny Ramirez reprint. Manny Ramirez Turkey Red. Miguel Cotto. But I've been wanting to box this for a while. Nolan Ryan, Roy Halladay, Ryan Howard. Albert Pujols, Prince Fielder at age 12, Mark Teixeira, and Evan Longoria. Which one does Jim Thome play for the Dodgers? Am I just like sleeping under a rock, or is that really true? Gold of Jose Guillen, Jason Birkin. Who the hell is Jason Birkin? Ryan Braun, Toby Stoner. Oh, yeah. Oh, wrong with that. Dual rookie of Ryan Howard and Cole Hamels, Ty Cobb and Curtis Granderson, and Todd Helton, Tops Town. Alright, we need to hurry up. Roger Maris. turkey red of Josh Beckett. Ichiro reprint rookie. The card I'm really wanting is the When We Were Young Brian Roberts. Freddie Sanchez gold, Aaron Ferreira, and Ichiro. I want the When We Were Young Brian Roberts from Carolina PC. There's a Tony Gwynn reprint rookie. Oh my god! Holy crap! What are the odds of that? Jesus Christ. And Ryan Braun touchdown. Ugh. That's awesome. Shilling's Bloody Sock, Walter Johnson, influence. Might be able to get this. And first Major League game played in Japan. Jim Palmer reprint rookie. Dizzy Dean. Why am I throwing the inserts over here? Adam LaRoche gold. Mike Schmidt turkey red. Another $1 million giveaway. If anybody wants to enter that code, enter it. Ooh, there's the franchise history Mets card I got the printing plate of. Alright, we're getting down to it. Where's my hit? Maris Chase is 61. Ivan Rodriguez, Pablo Sandoval, Albert Pujols. I think we have like 8 packs left, so I might be able to get this in. Bono's defense. What up, Trucy? Oh, what the hell? I didn't even know that was a hit. Ozzie Smith, reprint rookie, and a Ricky Weeks bat. Alright, 5, 6 packs left. That's Buster Posey. Another giveaway. Christy Mathewson. Bumgarner. $1 million giveaway. Paul Molitor reprint, Jackie Robinson, David Wright. $1 million giveaway. Chase Utley, Vladimir Guerrero in the last pack. Johnny Bench reprint, Verlander When We Were Young, and Todd Helton. It's a pretty nice box. I'll probably be getting another one of these soon. So, peace.